Beaver Bite Food Reviews, and today, my friends, we have Nature's Garden Yogies, strawberry flavored. We bought these at Costco. I think it was $13. You get 30 packs, and they say they're made with real fruit and probiotics, so they're supposed to be healthy, and they're coated with yogurt. Let's take the little bag out. I'll grab a couple out here. So what they look like. They're good for your lunch or just for a snack. Not many in it. You can see there's probably maybe 15 in it in each one. Let's give this a looky here. There you go. They're pretty cool looking. You can see the strawberry in there and yogurt. No corn syrup in it. A lot of the products these days are full of corn syrup, high in sugar, glucose. These are good. You can taste the yogurt. Let's do a triple shot right here. There we go. I like them. Nature's Garden Yogies, strawberry flavor. You don't get many. You get about 15 in each pack. I'm going to rate these 9.3 out of 10. Have a great day. I'm the Beaver.